Children, as the name it gives, political parties means those groups of people who gain political power, that is, who become a part of government. That group of people is termed as political party. But how do these groups they get turned up into a political party? These people they come together, they contest election. On what behalf? On the behalf of that they are willing to do something good for rest of the citizens. Once they get the trust of common people in the same country or in the same region, then they are given the name a political party. So firstly we should know who all become component of these groups. Here first is, say, the leader. Second would be the active members. And third would be the followers. Now these group of people all together they are given the name components of political parties. The leader means that individual who is getting the trust in form of vote of the common man. Now he works for the good of the people. He implements those policies, those programs which he has already discussed with the another people in his party. They are the active members. Now we too are the component of one of the political party. Maybe we are not the active members, we again are not the leaders, but we are the common man. We follow one or the other political party, we trust one party and we want our welfare task to be done by so-called party of our vote to which we are casting, party of our choice. So then we are the followers. Means here, children, we are the persons who are indirectly connected to political party. Means not directly, but in indirect way we support one political party. Means we support their policies, their programs which they are going to implement for our good. So one time they get our trust and then they win the election, they contest the election. If they win the election, they form the political party, they come into power. Like this we have these components. Now moving ahead, we have need of political parties. But why do we need these political parties? If all of us are free in a democratic country, we can do what we wish. We have our own opinion, we can give our views. Then why do we need to be after one or the other political party? Why we need their headship? The reason behind it is that in democracy, once we say we all are free, we all cannot put one's own policies, one's own programs for the good of others unless and until they trust us. They ask us to represent another group of people on their behalf and become their leader. Means if political parties are not there, there will be total chaos. I want task A to be done because I am a democratic individual of the country and you are in a similar position. You want something else. Now whose policies will be implemented? Who gets chance by the choice of the masses. This is the reason we need political parties. Now they do a number of functions. Like आपने बचपन में कहानी पढ़ी थी ना कि बिल्ली आई एंड सारे चूहे भागते हैं इधर से उधर और चिंता करते हैं कि बिल्ली आ जाती है, पता ही नहीं लगता, काश इसके गले में एक घंटी बंधी हो और ये मालूम चल जाए कब आ रही है तो हम सब भाग जाएंगे। तो व्हाट विल हैपन? बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधेगा कौन? Here comes. We all are free. We know what is to be done, but who will come forward to represent others to get the task done? And why? How? Somebody else will trust on us. So this is the basic requirement. So number of functions are to be done, and those tasks to be done by the political parties, they are given, they are trusted, and they become valid to work for those individuals. So here is the need and requirement of those individuals. Now comes the functions of political parties. At first, the function of political party is to contest election. As we talked earlier, that a group of people headed by the leader, they contest the election. Now, contesting election is one thing, winning is another. Group of people, they contest election. If they become the choice of the masses, then they are free to make the policies. They put forward their programs. But if not, so definitely they have to become what? Opposition. If they win the election, they make policies, they make programs, and they then form laws. They implement those laws. Once they implement the laws, means they are running the government. They are the ones who have been given chance by the common people, by the election commission. Once they have contested the election and they have won the election, they are free to run the government for a fixed tenure of time. So they run the government. Next to it is that if they do not win the election, they face a defeat. So what they do? They leave behind this task of being in political ground and they move back for any other business. No. They stay there and they form opposition. Children, opposition is as important as the political party in power. Why? Because they do get the sanctioned vote. They get the chance to make a government because they are the choice of the people for a fixed tenure. But it doesn't mean once chosen, they are there forever. Opposition will keep a strong check over what they are doing. If they are working in a good way, opposition will find out one more way good for themselves because of what these have faced a defeat. Means they will have to introspect, they will have to look into their working that whether they are good. Why they were not elected, why they couldn't collect good lot of vote for their own group, so as they are sitting in the opposition. So, and if their stated tasks, their stated policies and programs are not being implemented, there means the government in power, then they will point out, then they will motivate, inspire the people and will wake them up to form views in against of the party in power. Then you might have heard about movement. They start movements. Power party, they do movement to get their policies and programs implemented and continue. But the opposition groups, they do movement, then yes, these were their policies, they couldn't do. So we should go for a movement in against of them. Welfare schemes are implemented by the parties which are in power. So here we end up with the functions of